Hello guys, it's a new react. Like Hiccup with Astrid react to Jim Hawkins. So let's start. And please comment to my video. Like hello, I love your videos and I will give you a heart. So now let's start. You will react to Jim Hawkins. Any question? Or something? No question? Okay, let's start.
Leave without him. I am not leaving my buddies, Jimmy! Unless he looks at me like that. Scout ahead. I can. I'm a motherfucker gentleman.
Bye.
Motherfucker gentleman.
Yupi. Jim.
Motherfucker gentleman.
I will add him. Oh, don't be dumb.
Wait, what's this? What's this? It's Treasure Planet. No.
And see you later, Hiccup and Jim, Astrid.